Hello Dr. Tay, my name is Shaiful Anwar and today I'll be doing a video presentation for Milestone 6 where we need to provide a user with recommendations around optimal actions to achieve investment objectives such as profit and return on investment. So let's start. So for Milestone 6 I'll be using SaaS Enterprise Miner where I'll be using clustering to provide recommendation to users. So as you can see, the dataset will be let's March 1, followed by filtration of the dataset, and then I'll be doing two types of clustering, the automate cluster, and also clustering by using only three clusters. Alright, so for this process, I actually have run it earlier on because to do filtration and to do clustering will take some time. So to save time on a video presentation, I have done it earlier, and right now I will be showing you the results of it. So for filtration, as you can see in the internal variables, filtered it based on the standard deviation from the mean. All right, and so basically this will be the results of the filtration, where you can see these are the values that these are the variables that I have selected to be filtered: the minimum value, maximum value, and filter method, which is the standard deviation that I've mentioned earlier on. Alright, moving on to our clustering method after the filtration. So for clustering method, if you can see over here in the training section in the properties table, uh, I'll be using internal standardization as the method, whereas here we'll be doing the same, uh, but the only difference between these two will be over here, the number of classes, where this is automated, where and this will be user specified, where I would like to only have three classes. So for auto cluster, the results for this will be as follows. All right, so this will be the results for the automate clustering method. All right, as you can see here, there are approximately 20 clusters here. If you can see from the output, these are the variables, right, based on its importance. So to do this clustering, you will look into open variable of open first, followed by low, high, last done, by cell volume, change, and change percent. So clustering will be done will be based on the open variable first, and followed by the others. If let's say I would like to recommend users based on this current model, so basically the clustering for the stock exchange will be based on open, low, high, last done. So if let's say that certain stocks that user would like to purchase have a high open, then it will be clustered into one cluster, and then from there I will filter based on the uh, low variable and so on. Moving on to the second type of cluster, that will be the user specified clusters. From the result, alright, these are the three clusters. As you can see from the output, the importance variable uh, is different from the one before. Alright, here they will look into change percent first, followed by change, buying value, buy, last done, sell, high, low. Alright, so for this model, if let's say I would like to do a recommendation model by using this model, I will first look at the change of percent. So if let's say the change percent is high, then maybe I will put uh, into one cluster. If the change percent is low, then I will put into another cluster where if there's no change of percent, then I will put into another cluster. If I were to use this model for recommendation, then this model will cluster the data based on the importance. As you can see, it will first look into change percent, change by value, by, and so on. So this will be the priority for this model when they are doing clustering. All right. All right. For example, if a user would like to purchase a stock that have the best records, then I believe the company that have the highest change of percent, the highest buying value, and so on, with the highest selling volume, will be the the best uh, for user to purchase in order for user to gain profit. That's all from me today, Dr. Tay. I hope my video presentation answered your objective of this milestone. Thank you.